Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you know you can type with your voice on MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you own without downloading any extra apps? That's right. You can detect messages, documents, emails and more super fast. So let me show you how to do it. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. And first, open your system settings. Once you are in your system settings, go to the keyboard option. Simply scroll down and you will find this keyboard option here. And in here, simply turn on this detection button on. Simply enable it like this and choose your preferred language. You can also enable enhanced detection, which works offline and gives better accuracy. Next, open any app where you want to type, like Notes. For now, I will simply choose Notes, and in here you can simply tap your F5 button on your keyboard to type whatever you want. As you can see, it is already typing whatever I am telling to the camera or the keyboard. My Mac is already writing everything, so make sure you like, share and subscribe. You can even detect punctuations and emojis by saying their names like smiley face or question mark. This is a huge time saver, especially if you are writing long emails or reports. And there you go, typing with your voice on your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you own is that simple. Try it out and see how much faster you can get things done. Drop a comment if you found this tip helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac hacks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.